Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some winter home decor. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give this a thumbs up and now let's craft. Starting with my first project from Dollar Tree, I will be using one of these wood slices. I'm not going to paint this or anything, so I'm going to set this to the side. Now I will be using one of these Dollar Tree, or actually they're not from Dollar Tree, they are from Dollar General. These deer heads, and these are actually $1. These are chalk ornaments. I'm using one and a Jenga block, which I am going to paint black. I will be gluing the Jenga block on the back of the deer head. Now I'm going to decorate this before I add this to the wood slides. Using these Dollar Tree pine picks, I am using two of them, but I'm using like the tip of them. I'm going to just cut it off and then glue them on the head. I actually am using these to cover that little hole that the deer head has. Using this burlap ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby, I'm going to make a tiny bow and add it to the deer head. The next thing I will be doing is gluing this to the wood slides, but I am not going to glue this like in the center. I'm going to glue it more to the side, leaving a space on the wood slides. This is because this is going to be like a small little cute candle holder, which you can add either an LED one or a regular like fire one, but it has to be small. And I showed you two different candles that I use, but that is it. Look how cute this turned out. For my next project, I will be using two of these deer head ornaments. I'm going to start by removing the tag. Now, what I did here is, honestly, sometimes I just go ahead and start crafting. I sometimes don't even plan of what I'm doing, and I just go with it. This is one of them projects. So what I end up doing is cutting off one of the antlers. I wanted these to be the same on the deer head. As you can see, they are kind of different. So I'm adding this antler instead of the other one. Like I mentioned earlier, I sometimes don't even plan what I'm doing. And I ended up cutting both antlers out of one deer and ended up using this one. So I'm going to glue it, then I'm going to paint it black. So now I'm going to set this to the side and let it dry. I will be using this Dollar Tree wall art frame, which is honestly so nice. I'm removing the back and the picture inside. Then I'm going to paint the back using some white chalk paint. Actually, this is not chalk paint, it's acrylic paint. Once this is dry, I will be adding the frame back on. Using some of those Dollar Tree pine picks, I'm going to add some to the head to cover where I glued the other antler. I also added a bow that I made using that pretty burlap ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby. So now I'm going to add the head to my frame, but I did have to cut off a little bit of the bottom because this didn't fit in there. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I will be using a piece of wood that I got from the Dollar Tree. The one I'm showing you right here is something that I already had. That's why it is painted. But the one I am using, I did cut it to 8 inches and painted it using the Waverly Antique Wax. And this is how it looks. So now I'm going to add this little hello wood sign that I got from the Dollar Tree. It was like in one of those little package, and you can find those where the stickers are at. I added this to one of the corners. The next thing I will be doing is using the leftover antlers, which I flipped one of them around and painted it black so they can both be facing each other like this. I will be gluing these on the back of the piece of wood. Then to decorate this a little more, I will be using some of these pine picks and adding them to the top little part, leaving a space in between them so I can add a bow. But that is it. This completes this beautiful little hello sign. For my next project, I'm using this piece of clay pot that I got from Walmart. It was 99 cents, which I painted black. I decorate this a little more by adding some jute twine, and I used some of the Dollar Tree floral foam to glue it in the inside. I will be making like a little pine pick little pot. So I will be using 3 packs of the Dollar Tree pine picks. I'm going to just place them here and there. And that is it for this beautiful planter. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.